Where are these, you know?
Right there. Update, we're all framed for insulation and we filled in all the cracks with spray foam. Day 3 of framing for insulation. It's super cold outside. It's 17 degrees. There's a foot of snow outside almost. It's been snowing since like 4 a.m. this morning and still snowing. So we're just doing some stuff inside. Hopefully finish cutting the foam boards to fit our frames. We did get a chance to try out our heater and it's kicking ass. So, super stoked about that. So, check out the work we get done. let this spray foam and all the cracks dry. So we spray foamed all around the wheel wells and all the bigger gaps. Everything's looking pretty good. We just used the aluminum tape and taped the foam insulation to our frame, and that is going to act as a vapor barrier. Update: the paint is frozen solid. Oh. While Connor is measuring out the last piece of plywood for the floor, I'm going to start screwing down the previous piece. Stay tuned.